Okay, I want to do a quick how-to video, and I think a lot of people already know how to do this. I learned this from Barry Connolly, and also I want to let everybody know that I'm working with Larry Belk, and we're going to start a channel called CAD 911, and we're going to start putting our little plans and stuff that we run into, little headaches and issues and stuff. We're going to post them. We're going to try to figure out how to solve them. I promise you that we will run into things we don't know how to solve, because I'm definitely not a master in this, but I do come from a framing background, and he comes from a framing and design background. And if you go look at Larry Belk's website, you'll see he also knows how to design some of the most complex houses ever. So that'll be fun. But for now, what I want to show you is this is something that I saw from Barry Connolly, First Line Design, and it is how to align things in your layout. And so here's foundation, right? I've got a foundation. I'll show you in a minute that I drew the first floor first, but foundation, I'm going to current screen 1/4 inch. It's going to go to that page right there. Okay, so this is my foundation page, and I'm going to put this right here. So there it is, and let's give it a little room right here. So then you just go Command or Copy C, and you go to the next page, and you go paste and hold position. Next page, paste and hold position. Next page, paste and hold position. All right, so there you go. Let's go back here. So here's the foundation. The next page that we went to is framing first floor. So we want to see some floor joists. So you just click inside this viewport, or whatever it's called, and we will go right here. See how I picked that framing floor 1. There's that. So what these viewports are doing is they are all referencing the same model right here, but they're looking at the model with different layers turned on and off, so that you can build one model and reference other things. And what's nice is any edits you do to that single model get reflected in every one of these. So we're going to go to the next viewport, which is the first floor plan. And we're going to come down here and go to first floor. Boom. And then we're going to go over here. Framing. I don't think I did this one. Yeah, I don't think I did this one. So, no biggie. Second floor. Yeah, I did a demo, so I didn't draw a whole house. I just did enough to kind of give you to see the power of the system. Roof, I think I did that. Did I do roof framing? Or did I do roof layout? Let's try roof layout first. No. I have to see. Oh, roof framing. We need to paste and hold and go see the roof framing, because that looked pretty awesome. And see, so it's still set on this. So what I need to do, I think it's right click. No, it's not that. There's a way to right click this, and I get the actual saved plan view dialog. Yeah, see, it's not this either. Not that. Wish I could remember. Anyways, because what happens is you end up being over here, and you'll see how I have something that's not linked. So it's still showing that. I go here. I don't want any floor. I want the second floor. Hit OK. Hit save. Go back here. Oh, well, okay. So that's all it was when I actually was on that layer. So let's do that for this one. It's showing nothing, right? And then we go to here. We go to roof layout. And we go here and we say, yeah, not any floor. That's what I want. And then it says, hey, you got to save it. So you hit save. Then you come back here. And there it is. All right. So crisis averted. So what I'm aiming for is, like, if you look right here in the corner, I want the structure not to deviate. So it's not jumping around. And that's what's happened is, and don't, you can disregard this one. I didn't, you know what? Bye. I didn't have that one drawn. So, but there you go. First floor, second floor, roof framing, and all of these are the exact same viewport by size that I did for the foundation. Paste and hold in place, and then you just check. You just link it to the proper thing. And if it links and it doesn't work, you saw what the problem was. You have to go into the plan. You have to go find that. Yeah, I had to cancel that. I just bumped my Stream Deck. You have to pick the layer you want, and then you have to tell it what floor that's on. Because here's the problem. A lot of people get used to just jumping up and down on this floor tool, like go up to the second floor, down to the basement. And I've had problems with that because it stays in the same set of layer sets. It's just on a different floor. And I've had text that I didn't want on one floor show up on another floor. And then when then I hide that text, and it's also hidden on the previous floor that I wanted it on. And it's because, I need a little more layer discipline. But so I found it's better just to use save plan views. It seems to isolate things better. So this is what I wanted to show everybody. This is, I really like this. And the same thing with here, like this text is, it's reading the layout title. That's a macro that's easy to find. You just come in here and layout page number, layout whatever, layout title. It's all in here. And then what I do is up here in the information, the title is framing roof, the description, roof framing plan, blah, blah, blah. And then I can use these. So this is framing : roof, and this happens to be framing : roof. Sometimes if I have more drawings on a page, then I don't even do this. I'll just manually type in each thing so that, makes more sense that way. But then you copy and you paste hold position. And so when you're changing pages, everything is static. Your layout is static because it's on page 0, and the only thing changing is this is my description, and this is my comment. And as you see, the only thing changing is this number, this, and this. And then, of course, the drawings and everything on there. But it just makes it look really clean when you're in PDF and you're just clicking through and stuff isn't jumping around. It also helps if like in 3D, you'll see things that go vertical and you'll be able to tell if there's a conflict vertically. But if you keep your PDFs in alignment too, people just using a PDF viewer can see if things jump, and they'll be like if the stairs all of a sudden moved between here and here, then you'd know something doesn't line up. But since they're perfect, it just kind of reinforces that you're on the right track. All right, this is the end of this one. I'm going to upload it. And like I said, we're going to start a CAD 911. And it's going to be, in the beginning, it's going to have to be short videos because YouTube, you have to put a certain number up before they'll let you go over 15 minutes. And it'll be with Mr. Larry Belk and some of the friends he has. He knows some of the heavy hitters out there, and there's just some really talented CAD people on this planet, and we would like to volunteer our time to get the information together, get it out there in some kind of, good manner, so that everybody coming along has an honest and helpful video reference library. So check it out. I'll post this one to both. How's that?